The uranium trade everyone's missing. Everyone's trading miners. Nobody's trading the choke point. Retail money sees nuclear renaissance, buys Cameco and the juniors, calls it a day. Mining gets the headline. Mining isn't the constraint. Here's the chain nobody explains: uranium ore becomes yellowcake. Yellowcake gets converted into uranium hexafluoride gas. That gas gets enriched into reactor fuel. 3 steps. Mining is step 1, and the least scarce. Step 3, enrichment, is the real problem. Rosatom controls over 44% of global enrichment capacity. Nearly half the planet's fuel-making ability sits inside one Russian state company. As of 2024, Russia still supplied about a quarter of the enriched uranium running U.S. reactors. Sanctions and all. Why hasn't the West fixed this already? Because cheap Soviet-era infrastructure let Russian enrichment undercut everyone for 2 decades. Nobody built rival capacity because nobody could compete with subsidized Cold War centrifuges. Flood the market just enough, kill the incentive to build. Now there's a deadline forcing it. The US ban on Russian enriched uranium fully kicks in by 2028. Not far off. And here's what makes this more than a de-risk from Russia headline: enrichment and conversion have to be rebuilt together. Build enrichment capacity without enough converted feedstock feeding it, and you've just built an expensive, idle asset. Both segments are capital intensive. Both take years, not quarters. So what does this actually mean? The uranium bull case retail is trading, and the one that actually matters, are 2 different trades. One's priced into miners already, told, repeated, mostly absorbed. The other is a multi-year industrial rebuild in a segment most people can't even name, sitting downstream of a hard policy deadline. It's not a clean bull story either. If Russian material finds side doors back into the market, China absorbing discounted supply, for instance, cheaper material anywhere in the chain pressures prices and undercuts the economics of everything the West is building. The bull case has a policy-shaped hole in it. Worth sitting with, not skipping past. No verdict here. No score, no accumulate on weakness. Just the frame: scarcity in nuclear fuel isn't about digging more uranium out of the ground. It's about who controls the 2 industrial steps between the ground and the reactor, and right now, that's still mostly Moscow. Worth thinking about before you buy the miner and call it a day.